Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In parallel clipper, can see the diode now in parallel with the output voltage VO. We are measuring voltage across the diode. So, when you apply KVL in this case to the input, the diode is getting forward bias in the positive half cycle because the positive of the voltage source and positive of the diode are connected, which will forward bias the diode. So, in this case, when the diode is forward biased, the circuit will look like you have the resistance R, then the diode will be short circuited. You have input voltage plus minus Vi. The maximum current flows through the diode, hence the output voltage in this case VO will be 0 for the input voltage from say 0 to 4 volts resistance. When you apply KVL, the voltage, since the diode is short circuited and we are measuring the voltage across the diode between these 2 points, it is short circuited, so the voltage will be 0 for entire positive half cycle. What will happen in the negative half cycle? The diode will be reverse bias. How? In the negative half cycle, what you can see, the circuit diagram will now be, you have the resistance, then the diode will be open circuited, then you have the output VO. So when you apply KVL from the input side to the output side, it will be Vi. From where to where you will apply KVL? From this point to this point. So when you are applying KVL, this is your input from this point till the end. So when you are applying KVL, the equation will be Vi minus VO equals to 0. That means VO equals to Vi. So in the negative half cycle, your entire output will be equivalent to the input. So in the negative half cycle, your input is varying from 0 to minus 4 volts. 0 to minus 4 volts. So your output will be in similarity with the input in the negative half cycle. Whereas, as we have seen, in the positive half cycle, you are getting output voltage as 0. So the entire waveform will look like this. In the positive half cycle, you are not getting any output. In the negative half cycle, you are getting the output, and similarly transfer characteristics is drawn. Input voltage on x-axis, output voltage on the y-axis. This is called as voltage transfer characteristics. So when you see in the positive half cycle, even if your input voltage is varying, you are getting 0 output voltage. Whereas in negative half cycle, as your input is varying, your output is varying. So for positive half cycle, you are getting 0 voltage. In the negative half cycle, as your input voltage is varying, your output is varying. Hence, this is the transfer characteristics for the circuit shown. This is the simple parallel clipper.